Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Felicia. If you're new, welcome. On this channel I talk about natural hair and also do product reviews, so consider subscribing. Alright, so let's get into it. I know why you clicked here, you know why you're here. We're all about Boxy Charm for February 2018. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, the theme is Galaxy Glow. We're also getting a 20% off for Cover FX. So just use the code Fx Charm at checkout and you'll get 20%. Okay, so the first item that we have up is the Crown 3-piece Pro brush set. So the 3-piece trio here. So the small one here. So the small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and also highlight under the eye. The medium-sized brush here can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. And then the larger brush here is a large powder brush that can be used to set everything else in place. And this trio retails for $29.99. These brushes are really soft, but I have to tell you, I was in Walmart today and I happened to walk by and I don't know if they're a dupe for, because I have not used the brushes, but they're the e.l.f. brushes, and they're the no, not e.l.f. I'm sorry, I take that back. It's the Wet n Wild brush. Same exact white with this little indentation here, and the tips are light pink. Same thing, yeah, but I don't know if they work the same. So okay, so the next thing I have is the Cover FX, and this is a Shimmer Veil. That is what it looks like. And with this Shimmer Veil, you are supposed to be able to use it as a highlight. Basically, you can put it anywhere, and also works as an eyeshadow. And I did try it as an eyeshadow, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so a couple of things with the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. As you can see in the clip, I initially put it, I took this, put this on the back of my hand and used an eyeshadow brush to apply it to my lids. And it was okay, but it was looking a little patchy. So I just went ahead and applied it directly with the wand, which it applied so much better. But I was just trying to keep it, you know, sanitized with, you know, putting things on your skin, the bacteria, and putting it back in. But that's just me. So, yeah, it's nice. So the next item I have is by Pure the Complexion Authority, and this is a Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So I did try this. It smells really good. I will say that. I don't know if it's vanilla or, let me see if it tells me. This is supposed to be a 4-in-1 scrub. It exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. It does have shea butter in it, also raw sugar, which when I was putting it on my lips, I could tell with the you know, the granulation and everything. If it's an exfoliator, I expect that. So it felt really good. I felt like it did moisturize my lips, and there was a slight tingle sensation, just a slight. So maybe that's the lip pumping properties, and the only reason I say it because that's what I've heard, that lip plumping products kind of do a little tingling sensation, but it was very minute and it didn't last long. But overall, as far as the exfoliation and the softness and everything, it was really good. I liked it a lot. This retails for $17. So the next product I received is by Vintage Cosmetics, and it is a smoky eye pencil, and it is in the color Jet Black. And that's what it looks like there. And this pencil retails for $21. I don't have much else to say about that. I mean, this pencil, Jet Black. But $21. Okay. You know what? Let's see how pigmented it is. Let's do. Okay, that's what it looks like. But it's still $21. Okay. So this next item, I saw some tweets about it on Twitter. There were some people that weren't happy. They received the Ofra palette and everything, and they were hoping to receive the Naked Cosmetics, the eyeshadow, which I was hoping to receive that too, but I was not the lucky one. So this is called a pop-up palette mini, and it retails for $19. And you are supposed to be able to put some palettes in here. Yeah. So yeah, okay. I just have no use for this. Me personally, maybe I can turn it into a picture frame. But yeah, no. Okay, so along with it, I have the Blush Gauntlet Refill by Ofra, and it retails for $12. And this is a pressed powder blush. Pressed powder blush. Let's get it together. And this is Blush Winter Rose Glow. And even on the back, it has use in palettes and kits. So that's everything that I got for Boxy Charms. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have used any of these products, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.